if you had excluded some of your friends from seeing your Facebook story. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow all your friends on Facebook to be able to see your Facebook story. So I have here a Facebook story, and I excluded some people or some friends from seeing it or from viewing it. To allow all of them, it is quite simple. Just go over here to your profile picture and tap on it to see the menu. Now from here, tap on this settings icon, and under this, scroll down to audience and visibility. Under this, you can see we have stories here. Tap on it and then enter who can see your stories. You can see it is friends except some people. If I go ahead and tap on it, I can see these are the people that have been excluded from viewing my story. Now to allow everyone to be able to see my story, either go ahead and tap on friends if you want only your friends to see your Facebook story, or choose public if you want anyone, including those who are not your friends, from seeing your Facebook story. So I'll go ahead and tap on friends, and then go ahead and now tap on save. And then I'm told that this change will apply to any photo and video currently in my story, in addition to those that I add from now on. So I'll go ahead and tap on save, and that change has been effected. Now you can see friends can see my story. So that's how you allow all your friends to see your Facebook story. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.